Hello everyone and welcome. This is Cybercoder and welcome to the fourth part of how to make a tycoon game for beginners. First of all, I just want to thank you for 100 subscribers. I think we are on 106 at the moment, so thank you to everyone that has subscribed. I really appreciate it, and you make me motivated to continue doing videos. But yeah, let's actually get started. Oh, and also a 100 subscriber special video coming soon, so yeah, stay tuned. But okay, let's start. So we left off at this last time. We could start the game, and we have one shop and we're making some money, and then we could just spam and buy how many shops we wanted, and we get a corresponding amount of money per 5 seconds, I believe it was. But yeah, today we're going to change on that, so we're going to make you have to pay for the shop actually. So yeah, let's start. First of all, I just wanna change so it doesn't say text. Well, I just want to rename this to like title, and then this button to buy button, and this like shop amount number, like that. Like so. Yeah, I also got a bit annoyed about it just being a 1, so we're going to create a new text object. We are just going to copy the properties from here, copy component, and go on this text object and paste component values like that. Scale it up a bit, of course, and maybe a bit smaller, and then make this say amount, like that, and then just drag this number over here a bit, and this amount over here, like that. And this may be a bit closer, and maybe a bit higher up, like that. Yeah, that looks fine for now. We can always change it later. Okay, so let's just set this to shop amount text. Okay, then we're going to create yet another text object, so UI and text. Paste in the component values again, scale it up a bit, like that, and then do like $50, like that. You can of course make this number higher or lower, but this is the price, how much this shop is worth. So keep in mind that we are making as base earnings $5 per 5 seconds, and that will get multiplied by 2 per every shop you buy. So you can of course think about a perfect amount to have there, so it's a fair balance about how many shops you can buy and how much money you're making from that shop. But I'm just going to make it 50, and yeah, and of course rename it to price text, like that. Okay, so then we're going to actually code a script that makes that so you can actually buy shops. So you're going to want to go into your buy shop script. We already have a base for this. Now what we're going to want to do is we want to make an if statement, and you make an if statement by doing if and then 2 brackets, and in these 2 brackets you're going to add the code that you want to be executed if the thing in these brackets are valid. So yeah, just cut this out like that and paste it in here like that. Now we want to get how much money we have and check if the total money that we have is more than 50, and if it's more than 50 we can buy a shop, but if it's less than 50 we get like an error message saying you don't have enough money to buy that shop. So what we're going to want to do is similar to what we did here. So we're going to want to get the total money component from here, so you can just copy this and paste it in here, but instead of getting component by shop we're going to want to get component earn money like that. And then we don't want to get shop amount because shop amount is in here and it's not shop amount we actually want to get. Well, we want to get this total money. Now we can't get the total money because right now it's private float and it has to be public, so we have to change this up to public instead of private like that. And now from here we can get the total money like that. And then we want to do a this sign. It's like more than and then equals and 50. So if the total money is more than 50, more or equal to 50, then we want to do this. And of course we also want to subtract the money from our balance. So copy this component and paste it in here and do minus equals 50, and of course always end off with a semicolon. So to recap, what we are doing here is when we press the button we will check if this is true. We have more than 50 money in our balance, so if that's valid or true or whatever, then we subtract 50 money from our balance. We get 1 shop added to our shop, and the number of shops increase the text object. So let's see right here. We also of course want to change the money text, so we can go into here and check what we did here. So here we did money text, so we can copy this over and paste it up here. Then we also did right here money text dot get component. We also want to get this, so just copy this and paste it down here like that. And we of course want to, instead of get money text, we want to get component earn money and this stuff right here. So just copy this and remove this, I believe, and do like that. Dot text. Let's see. No, actually. Oh yeah. You have to do just undo what we did here, money text. So instead of money text, no, this is actually correct. It's this thing up here that we have to copy and paste into here. This is the problem with copy and pasting. You easily get off track of what you have to do. Like in this instance, I got a bit confused, but yeah. Yeah, but let's actually make it say something errory if we don't have the money. So just do an else down here and open it up with brackets. Let's see, like that. And in here you type the code that you want to happen if this if statement is false, or it doesn't meet the requirement that's up here. So then in every other case it will do what's inside this else statement, and in this case we can just put a debug.log and make it say something like insufficient funds. I don't know how to spell that word, but yeah, like that. Debug.log insufficient funds. So this message will pop up in our console. Now save the script and go back into Unity and let it compile down here like that. And I believe that we are ready to go. Let's just check that everything is correct. Check here on Game Manager. No, we actually have to enter the money text. So that will be money text right here and money text. Like that. But now I think we are ready to go. If you have some random errors in your console, just clear them by pressing this clear button right here. And then just play your game and let's see if it works. So these are no errors, or they were errors, but not important. So okay, let's see, if we press the buy button now, we have less than $50. So let's see, insufficient funds, and we still get the same earnings as we'd get from one shop. So it actually didn't get added a shop, but now we have more than 50 money. So let's see, if we try to buy now, we get no error message. And oh yeah, I see. I added the wrong money text number. It should actually be this one. Okay, let's check this again. So if we try to buy shops now when we have under 50 money, we just get this insufficient funds message. So let's just wait until we get 50 money. Shouldn't take too long, or ice cream stand is pretty efficient. Like that, and now we have 50 money, and let's try to buy it now, like that. And yeah, as you can see, we lost 50 money, and now we are making actually $10 instead of the $5 that we made before. So yeah, now we can buy more shops like that, and we're of course going to make more money based on how many shops we have. But yeah guys, that was pretty much all I wanted to cover in this video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this episode. It really helps me out, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.